Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to run YouTube ads for your videos to get more views and more subscribers. So let's get started. To run YouTube ads, you need a Google Ads account. If you don't have a Google Ads account, you have to sign up. It is easy. You have to just enter your information and payment details. That's it. So when you have created Google Ads account, then we will go to YouTube. We have to select which video we have to pick. So decide which video you want to run for YouTube ads, and then go to add account and click on plus sign campaign. Click on new campaign. And here click on create a campaign without a goal. And then click on video. And then click on custom video campaign. And click continue. So you have to remember those selections. And now, for example, I have decided to run ads on this video because this was released yesterday. So I will just pick this video for this tutorial. So I will just name it how to get more views. And make sure that you have selected this strategy, maximum CPV. I have seen that this strategy works best, and as our goal is to get more views and subscribers, so this strategy will work better. So then you have to enter your budget. So in this tutorial, I will use just a daily budget. I think that is more easy. So for example, I can decide any day in this week that I want to pause the ad, so I can do it manually. So it totally depends on you. So for example, I will just write for this example 1,000 rupees, which are like $10 per day, and then select your country where you want to run your ads. So for example, I will select my home country, Pakistan, and then you can add languages. So for example, if your video is in English, you can just select English. Otherwise, if it is in other languages, you can also enter those languages. So for example, I have selected the Hindi and Urdu because this video is in Urdu. So after these selections, go over here, select standard inventory. This is fine. Do not select these. I think according to my experience, this selection is giving me best results. Take on these live streaming. You don't want to show your ads on embedded videos and live streaming videos. They won't get you results because they are usually interested in checking the content when they are going to websites or when they are live streaming. So that is not our target audience. So just select these, and these will be excluded. Here you can select the related videos if you want to. So related videos means, for example, if I have another video which is relevant to this video, or like it has like part 1, part 2, so I can also add that video to increase my click-through rate. But in my case, I don't have a relevant video, so I will just leave it. And then click on additional settings. So here you can see that you have to use account level. So we are not using conversions. So you can leave it as it is because this is not a lead generation campaign. So leave it as it is, show on all devices. Then go to frequency capping. So this is really important. So make sure that you are clicking on additional settings because these settings are really important. So click on cap impression, and cap impression means if someone sees your ad, do you want to show them your ad for second time, third time? So the best strategy is to put it 5 per week. So for example, if that ad is shown to him 5 times and then he is still not selecting or clicking on your ad, then that means he is not our target audience. He is not interested. So we don't need to waste our budget. And then cap view means, for example, if someone has seen your video, do you want them to show your ad again? So you can put it one per month, because you don't want to show them again and again. For example, if that person has seen your video, he won't be interested in seeing your video again and again. So make it one per month. So all per day is fine. You can optimize it later. For example, you have run your ad for a month, and then you can optimize it at what time or at what day they are responding to your ads more. So, but not right now. So after these selections, also you can, for this example, I will just use the same name. So for demographics, I mean, if your video is like for adults, you can select your audience from here, select your age limits. But for this video, I mean, I will leave it as it is so that my audience is broad. Anyone can check this tutorial and learn how to get more views. So then we have keywords. We have so this is done, and then we have audience. So as our ad is for is for search YouTube. For example, if someone search on a YouTube, let me show you. For example, I will write Google Ads tutorial. So you can see an ad over here. So so this is what YouTube search ad is. If someone writes something, and it will show an ad over here. So this ad is usually very relevant to what you are searching for, and I mean it is more likely that person will click on your ad because that is relevant to what he is looking for, what he is searching for. So we don't need to put an audience, because you just want to show your ad to people who are searching for something similar. So I will leave the audience. Otherwise, I mean, if you're running in-stream ads, then you can choose the audience. But for our ad, we can just write. I will just write a keyword, how to get more views. So if you have a keyword research tool, you can put your keywords more precisely. So for this example, I will write how to get more views. And for example, if anyone searches for this keyword, it will show my video. So I will leave the topics, I will leave the placements. Otherwise, I mean, it will be very broad. And also I will leave the placements. Here you can try. I mean, you can try to bid as you can put the minimum bid. So I mean, in rupees, minimum I can bid is 1 rupees. Sometimes when you're bidding so low, it is very likely that your video, your ad will not show any impression. It will not show any views. And I mean, if you are experiencing these issues, then you have to bid higher so that, I mean, your ads can be shown to other people. So let me select the video. I will just copy this video link, and then here I will just copy the link. And here you can see that this video has been selected, and here I will just click on video discovery ad. So video discovery ad means the YouTube search ad. So you can see over here that, for example, if someone searches for a keyword over here, as you can see that there are so many ads. So if someone searches for this keyword, my ad will be shown over here on these places. So that's what we want, and that is like more relevant. And I can choose. Let me quickly just copy paste this line. How to get more views. you also have to make sure that you are not using any trademarks. Otherwise, I mean, YouTube will reject your ad. So for example, I'm not sure if I can use the word YouTube, so I will just write how to get more views on your videos, or I will just check it again. I mean, after making this tutorial, if I can use the word YouTube ads tutorial. So after writing your headline, make sure it is very catchy so that you can get more clicks, and then click on create campaign. So you can look at these settings. So you don't want to select skippable in-stream ads, because these are the ads which are shown on the videos before you can view any video. You see an ad, so that is the in-stream ads. For in-stream ads, you have to select the placements and topics. But over search ad, which is usually cheaper, you can just select the keywords, and that's it. And here it is showing you the estimate performance that you can get using that keyword. So then you can just click on create campaign, and that's it. So your ad will be approved in a day. Sometimes YouTube ads take time. For example, it can take 2-3 days or even a week. If after a week your ad is still not showing any impressions, you can try to increase your bid. So this is it. Do let me know in comments if there is anything that you want to learn more, and like and subscribe my video. Thank you.